Project managers face unprecedented challenges in navigating cultural ambiguity and volatility amid highly complex transformation endeavors. Remote working and diverse team dynamics further compound the challenges of managing transformational and digital projects. Integrated systems thinking and team coaching framework are crucial in anchoring training and coaching methodologies for project managers. The hierarchy of choices system model provides a visual representation for decision-making and trade-off analysis. Understanding cultural nuances is essential for project managers, especially in regions like Southeast Asia where indirect communication and hierarchy are crucial. Real-life case studies can illustrate how misinterpretations in cultural contexts can lead to project setbacks. Contextual communication, including understanding the how, when, and why of communication, is pivotal for effective cross-cultural collaboration. Digital platforms and tools are introduced to facilitate better cross-cultural communication among project managers. Systems leaders adeptly address systemic issues like unconscious biases or cultural misunderstandings in cross-cultural teams. Systems leadership fosters adaptive problem-solving skills, fostering creativity and innovation in diverse teams. Valuing different perspectives and fostering an inclusive environment unlock new ideas and solutions. Intact team coaching strengthens cohesion and effectiveness, especially in cross-cultural settings. Workplace coaches develop trust, mutual respect, and understanding critical for remote working environments. Practical application is emphasized through interactive workshops and role-playing scenarios. Customized team development plans based on unique dynamics and challenges are essential for effective team management. Intact team coaching unlocks a culture of continuous learning and development within teams. Reflecting on performance and adapting to changing circumstances are integral parts of intact team coaching. Investing in systems leadership and intact team coaching is imperative for managing cross-cultural complexities in today's globalized business environment. As the business world evolves, managing projects across cultures isn't just desirable, it's critical for future success.